Hi everyone, my name is Kristen and I'm a librarian here at the MCC Library, and today I'm going to be talking to you about NoodleTools. NoodleTools is a citation management program that you can use to create and manage all of your sources and citations for your papers and assignments in one place. To access NoodleTools, you're going to go to your student email, and then in the upper left-hand corner of Office 365 where you access your email, there is a grid of squares. Click on that. And then within that grid that pops up, you're going to click on the link for NoodleTools. On the NoodleTools page that comes up, you're going to click on Login. And on this page, it gives you a few different ways to log in. Your NoodleTools account is tied to your student email and Office 365, so you want to choose the option for Microsoft 365 and click on that, and it will sign you in. When you first log into NoodleTools, you're not going to have any projects listed, so let's create a project. You want to go to the upper right-hand corner and click on New Projects. Here you can type in your title. So if I was writing a paper for Comp 1, I could put that there. Then you'll be asked to choose your citation style. We'll go with MLA. And then it asks you to choose your citation level. We recommend that you go with Starter. And then click Submit. Once you've created a project, it's going to show up on your project dashboard. So click into it. And then from here, we can start adding sources. So click on the New Source button, and then it's going to ask you to choose where the source is from. Maybe we found an article from a database, so we'll choose Database and then Reference Source. And you can add sources two different ways. Let's first take a look at working with a pre-made citation. So if I'm in a database or within OneSearch, I can click on the Cite button, and I can choose my citation style. So we're going with MLA, and then I can just copy the pre-made citation that's there. And going into NoodleTools, we want to click on the button for Copy and Paste a Citation, and then we can paste it in underneath Manually Edited Citation. As you can see, sometimes the browser doesn't always want to copy it, so just do what it says. And that pastes our citation in. Of course, once you paste it, it does give you the reminder here of do not assume it's correct. Make sure that you reapply italics and check the capitalization. So do that for every citation that you enter. And if this looks good, we can click Save. The next thing is to create a citation from scratch for a source that we don't have a pre-made citation for. So again, we'll click on New Source. And in this case, the source that I want to cite is a website. So we click Website, and it asks us which one it is. It's just a web page. And then here we are given fields to fill in to complete the citation. Another good thing is up here in the upper right-hand corner where there's a button for MLA Guide. If you click on that, it's going to give you an example of the layout for a citation so you know what you should fill out below. So I've started entering things, and you'll notice here it's giving me a reminder about which parts of a title should be capitalized. So I'll go ahead and make that suggested change. All right, so I filled in the URL, the date of access, and other applicable information for this citation. So I will click on Save, and it's added that citation to my list. And you can note here in the list, the one that I copied and pasted from a database does have a note that this is a pre-formatted citation. So once your project is done, and once you have all of your sources listed, you can go ahead and use NoodleTools to actually generate your works cited or your reference list. And the easy way to do that is you go to your list of sources, then go to the printer icon up here at the top, click on it, and it will ask you how you want to export that. So we can say export to Word. It will ask us And if you want to export all sources, say submit, and that will create a pre-formatted citation reference list that we can pull up. So I've opened that works cited list in Word, and we can see that everything is perfectly indented and our sources are alphabetized, and it's also gone and added the margins that are required. So it's really cool that you can just generate a list once everything's entered and you don't have to spend the time trying to alphabetize it and make sure everything is perfectly formatted. So thanks for watching our video on NoodleTools, and remember that you can always get in touch with us. You can come into the library during our open hours. You can also call us, send us an email. You can make an appointment to meet with the librarian for research help. You can also text us, or you can chat with us. And text and chat are available 24/7. So do reach out if you have any questions, and have a great day, guys.